guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a full makeup tutorial, and it's actually going to be a fall makeup tutorial slash a latte makeup inspired makeup tutorial and a summer to fall transition makeup tutorial. It's kind of giving me all of that, so that's why I'm saying all of that. With this makeup look, I'm so happy that it turned out the way it did, especially with the eyes. The eyeshadow with this is so perfect, and it's beyond easy to do. And if you guys are not even good at applying eyeshadow, this method that I'm going to show you guys in this video is going to help you so much and save you so much time and money. Leave me a comment below letting me know if you guys love watching fall makeup tutorials, and give this video a thumbs up because it will definitely help me a lot. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this fall makeup look, then just keep on watching. Usually I do not start on my face at all, but in this video I'm just going to be starting on my face this time, and you guys will see why once I'm done with my face. I'm gonna start off with my NARS Laguna lip balm because I have not used this in so long and I had forgot how good this works. I'm gonna go in with my Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer lotion for my face, and a little bit goes a long way. Like, I sworn I had used this probably about 7 times already, and had got this on my birthday as a birthday gift from Ulta. But this works super good, especially for this time around. Add a little bit underneath my eyes, even though I don't usually do this, but just to have a little bit of extra moisturization. And I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and prime my face. This primer I have not used yet, so this is the Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer that's mineral oil free and paraben free, controls shine and blurs pores. This texture reminds me of Smashbox's Photo Finish Primer, and I'm just gonna mainly apply this over here and around my nose, just anywhere on my face that really has like open pores or just like more noticeable pores. Then I'm going to color correct with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Peach, because I notice when I use peach it really helps cover my imperfections way better, and I prefer blending this out with my finger because I notice it gives me better coverage. I want to add some type of glow to my face, so I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. You can use it by itself or with foundation, but I am going to be using this with foundation, and I did a whole review on this with this being compared to Charlotte Tilbury's foundation, so I'll link that video down below. To blend this out, I am going to be using my Paw Paw Wonder Sponge that I got from Amazon. Literally one of my favorite sponges ever because it works so good and it's so affordable. It's like under $10. You guys see that glow? Like, this is what I want underneath my foundation. I have not used this foundation in a while either, but I'm going in with my all-time favorite foundation, like ever. It's Maybelline, so it's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Normal to Oily foundation. They have a normal to dry one, but the oily works the best for me, especially because I have an oily T-zone. It gets pretty dry around here, but it's really my T-zone. This is the type of foundation where you can build it up or have it lightweight. And even though I love my high-end foundation, like this one is like definitely one of the best drugstore drugstore foundations that I've ever tried. I am in the shade 228 Soft Tan. I remember choosing the wrong foundation shade for the past like 2 years. This was back in high school, but during like my junior year, that's when I had finally found my correct shade. I really need to start using my new concealers, but I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. And I just love using this concealer, like it works so good. And I remember doing a review on this concealer too. Next, I'm taking my SHEIN Snatch and Define stick in the shade Camel Suede. I have not used her yet, so I'm kind of being risky right now. Hopefully it does not mess up my makeup. Okay. And I'm gonna take my NYX Bear With Me spray and just re-wet my face to make sure that I'm able to blend this out. Wet this too. This is my e.l.f. Complexion Duo Brush. Has two sides. Okay. And I'm taking my e.l.f. Putty Blush in the shade Turks and Caicos. And nobody really talks about this shade, but this is one of the best shades that they have. I'm gonna just wet that. Apply some like this. Put it on the back of my hand. And do it like this. Like, it's so pretty. Taking my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I only have a little bit of this left, and I really need to invest in buying more. But I'm gonna take the rest of this, apply it underneath my under eyes. Then I'm taking my Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder, and I am hitting pan on this because I love using this as my bronzer, and I'm in the shade 360. Got this brush from Amazon too. It's the Beauty Junkies Pro Sculptor brush. I'm just gonna bronze this and contour this part. Now it's time for the blush. This is by the brand Dulce or Dulce. It's their cheek blush in the shade 61 RSVP. This is a beautiful blush for the upcoming fall time. It's like a summer to fall transition shade. I'm just gonna take about okay, that much. Ooh, no, not that much. Why do I do that? Okay. I love this blush. It's not too pink, it's not too red, it's not too, you know, and I really need to get the full size, but for this to be like pretty gold, still works really well. And now I need to add a little bit of highlight, so I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome metallic highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. Really pretty gold highlight color. It's like so pretty. I'm going back in with my NYX Prime Set and Refresh spray, and I'm just gonna melt everything on my skin. Next, for the eyeshadow, I'm going to be using cream eyeshadow sticks for the very first time, and they are by the brand 𝐏𝐿𝐿, and it's their color stick eyeshadow sticks or cream eyeshadow sticks. You can get these off of Amazon. These are super affordable. I'll insert a clip right here of me swatching the eyeshadows and letting you guys know the names of them. Currently, I do have 5 palettes from them, but I'm mainly going to be using these eyeshadows. I'm going to be using the Fall Brown eyeshadow sticks. I'm going to be going in with this shade first. And what I really love about these cream eyeshadows is that there's no type of fallout. They're super creamy, and these will last you all day. I'm just gonna apply it like this. It doesn't matter if it's gonna look perfect or not, because these are super easy to blend out. Just look how pigmented and good this looks. You would think I would use a regular eyeshadow, but this is like a full-on cream eyeshadow. This is my first time trying these out, so I'm highly impressed. It's gonna save me so much time. And you guys know time is money, time is everything. So I don't have time to do my eyeshadows a certain way. Doing this is just gonna complete any type of makeup look that you're trying to achieve. Next, I'm going in with this shade, and it's just a copper brown color. These are so creamy. Like, I'm really impressed with the creaminess, and when I apply them on top of each other, they do not clump. Like, that's really important as well, because we do not want our eyeshadow clumping while we're in a rush. Like, that's no. I go in with this brush that comes with it, blend it out, and look how easy this is blending out. So I'm gonna try to move this over here so it can be at an angle and not fully round. So these are really easy to blend and move over. What I really like about it too is that the way it's made is really comfortable for me to lay my fingers on and just apply the eyeshadow. I'm going in with Amber Light Shimmer, and I'm gonna apply it on the center of my lid, the inner corner, and use it as a highlight on my brow bone. I'm just gonna apply it right here, just like that, and apply it right here, that. Use this brush just to blend it out in the inner corner and in the brow bone area. And this eyeshadow method only took me under 3 minutes. I barely had to do anything but apply, then blend it out, and it's super easy to blend out too. This is how this eye is looking, and now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Okay, so now I'm kind of done. I have one more step that I want to do with the eyeshadow, but I did clean it up on the side over here with concealer. Then lastly, I'm going in with Ginger Root Shimmer, and it's just a really pretty ginger shade. I'm just gonna add it right here, not all the way like over here, but just add it right here and blend it out with this brush. I definitely recommend you guys trying them out. I will link all of them that I had mentioned in the description box down below. These are so worth it, and they have so many different colors to choose from. Now we're on to lashes, and I'm going to be using my Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara. I haven't used this in so long, and I decided that I'm gonna go in with this today. It's really nice for lengthening and giving my lashes some volume. I'm going to be using these lashes that I had got from Amazon. Okay, I just put my lashes on, and now we're on to the lips. I take some powder, just put it around here before I apply my lip liner. The lip liner I'm going to be using is SHEIN's So Lippy Lip Liner in the shade 525, or I believe this is in the shade Toast. Then I'm going back in with my NARS lip balm, and I'm just gonna apply this on top. I'm going to be using my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Caro, and it's just this really pretty nude color. I'm just gonna apply it in the center. And lastly, I decided that I'm gonna add some gloss, and I'm gonna use my Lifter Gloss by Maybelline 020 Sun. And I just love this color. This lip gloss just plump your lips a little bit, so there's gonna be a slight tingly feeling with it. For the rest of my face, I'm going in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just set my whole entire face. This is the final step. I'm going to be using my Diabla spray. This isn't the original bottle, so I'll just leave a picture on the side, but this spray makes your makeup look like skin, and I just always have to use this, or most of the time I have to use this. That's all. That is all. this is the final look, and I love the way that it came out with the eyes, especially the cheeks, the lips, like everything about this just screams fall. Don't forget to check out this eyeshadow stick brand because these work so good, and just everything that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts and opinions about this makeup look, and if you guys enjoy watching makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, any content that makes you feel feminine or girly or extra feminine and girly, then you guys will love it over here. Hit that subscribe button to see more content like this, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.